Can you say Ford F-100? I love it now even more. That nice little pipe makes the exterior look a little nicer, a little detraction. And then that pipe, so it's a dual pipe, and then you can see it better from up top here. Let me get in there. I don't know, I can't see it right now. Hold on, let me see if I can get underneath the truck. Nice pipes. Glass packs. 2 1/4 inch exhaust now on this truck. Same thing as what came stock off of it. And the nice new Ford racing motor. Powered by Ford. But set of headers. Let's see if I can see that. You kind of see the name tag. There you go. That's what those are. Hooker competition headers for this old 72. And on this side. So I know everyone wants me to cut the bullshit and start. Let's fire it up then. Okay, fine. Jeez, you guys can't be patient. It's a work of art. Just kidding. Okay. So there's my nice Ford key. Ooh, that starter's still kind of bad. Oh, you bit. Come on, baby. That's nice. Motor's still a little cold. Sure hope it's okay. Yeah, we're still going. The wind blew the camera over, but it works. It's all fine. It left a nice little skid mark. Hopefully it came up nice for you guys, as it did for me. Has a lot of power now. It's a nice mellow tune. I know I had said before to a lot of people that I was going to get MagnaFlow performance exhaust on this pickup, but after getting to talking to the guy who did this for me, he just said it'd be easier to put glass packs on it. And glass packs are very, they're an old type of exhaust, so to say. They've been around since the 60s. And that was the first muffler company that basically started out that if you wanted to put high performance stuff on like these pickups or a car, passenger car, you put glass packs on it. Glass packs, and sometimes if they had a header, you make your own headers for it. But that being said, we went glass packs because personally it's a straight through design, and after seeing how rusty the old muffler and stuff was, I wanted a straight basic pipe that would blow through and get any moisture out of the motor that we could get out of it. So we basically went the glass pack. So you got some power now. She sounds good. I love it. I didn't make the video on Monday because he was still working on the truck. I thought he'd have it done, but he had to take a little extra time to bend the pipe, custom bend it to where I wanted it for tool exhaust and to get to fit the headers. The headers were the worst to put on. And you can kind of see in the bay, I'll do a little detailed view later, that they're pretty close to the starter, and that was one big problem we had, but they were able to get it put in, and they put a nice little heat shield on it, so it works nice now. It wakes up the neighborhood. And my favorite time of year, spring, summertime. We're getting into summer. That means later on we'll have more car shows, more fun things we're going to next weekend. I think it's next or the following weekend we have a nice car show that's coming up. And you noticed that I recorded it last year, so it'll be recorded. And I've been getting a lot of urges from my brother and my mom and dad that they want me to enter this truck in the car show. So maybe I'll get an application and we'll put the truck in the car show for the first time in its life. So be interesting videos to see. We'll find out in a couple of weeks. Nice little low gurgle at idle speed, so to say. We got nice little idle there. I like a non-dramatic glass pack. They're 30-inch glass packs. Any shorter than that and they'd be too loud, I think. And I wanted a nice mellow tone to where it wouldn't annoy me when I drive it all the time, or when I do drive it, so it works great. I love my Ford pickup. Well, there's the sound, guys. You got some more work to do on this truck. It might need, like I said, a starter later. Figured out what was wrong with it, so we'll get an update on that later on as we go through the summer or what have you, and any more updates. So hope you enjoyed the show. Any questions, ask. I'm just grinning from ear to ear here. I love it. Thanks, guys, for watching.